Good day, everyone. Today, we will be discussing about bond polarity. That at the end of this lesson, you will be able to answer the following question. What is bond polarity? So, let's start. Have you ever played the game Tug of War? This game perfectly demonstrates the concept of bond polarity, meaning one side could pull better than the other side, or both sides can share equal forces. There are ways to determine the polarity of a molecule, which requires your knowledge of electronegativity, Lewis structure, molecular geometry, and Vesiper theory. So, what exactly makes a compound polar and nonpolar? Polarity measures the degree of inequality in the attractions of electrons between atoms in molecule. This means a molecule has a dipole of a positive and a negative end. These partial charges are created based on the orientation of the electrons in a bond that depends on each atom's electronegativity. Based on polarity, bonds can either be polar or nonpolar. The more electronegative element will pull its surrounding closer to it, making it partially negative. This leaves the other atom to have a partially positive charge. This bond is polar because of the poles of partially negative and positive charges. Asymmetrical electron clouds characterize polar covalent bonds, while symmetrical electron clouds are around the nuclei describe the nonpolar bonds. The polarity of bond is based on electronegativity difference of the two atoms involved in the bond formation. This could differentiate whether covalent bonds are polar or nonpolar. Let's look at this chart. Now, let's relate our discussion in a tug-of-war game. If atom A pulls better than atom B, it means there is an equal sharing of electrons, meaning the bond is polar. If atom A and atom B share equal forces together, it means it is nonpolar. And here is our sample problem. Job well done! Thank you very much and goodbye!